Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this Chevy car, 1970s Chevy car. So there's two listings for this car. The assembly video will be the same for both. One of them could be the police car here, and that comes with this lights for the police car, these lights for the side that I glued on, and then these other lights like the little cherry light or whatever, and options for the police car. So that's pre-assembled. Of course, you can also not even put the lights on the top and just have the car standard. So now let's go ahead and work on the taxi version of this car. So there you go. First, getting all the sprues cut. There you go. So just cut these sprues for the wheels. And what we have here is various taxi tops for the taxi car. Well, you can choose some of them, or so there's a bunch of options for you. So I'm just gonna choose one here. Let's go with this, and then the rest of them I'll just leave there because you can decide what options you will use for your taxi car. Oh, and one last thing here. Let's cut these sprues here. These are actually not sprues, they're the support plastics underneath this wheel well here. Alright, just make sure that's all cleaned up. Good. Just gonna make sure this one's all cleaned up and good. Alright, so we're done with the clipping away. Of course, here's all the taxi options for that if you wish to continue figuring out what to do with that. But for now, we're good with that. So the next step is to bring out the glue, and let's glue together this piece here. And for that, just guide it in, make sure it's correctly glued. And yeah, so be careful. Any little piece will interfere with the pieces going together, so let's get that. So that way the parts can be glued together very well. After that, it's a little bit of glue here, here, and there. And then just slide this piece in like that. Alright, so that's done. While we wait for that, let's go ahead and just put a little dab of glue there in the middle there. And then let's place this taxi sign. Try to put it in the middle or something. So, I believe that taxis just have various ways that they put the signs on. This could be this way or that way. And then there's so many other signs that you can choose from, like this big sign here or whatever signs you want for your taxi. There's many options, actually less options than the police car. For now, the last step for this model kit is to glue on the wheels. So let's do that. And of course, if you've done a model kit with us before, I always say, make sure the axle goes in the center of the wheel, all that. So, self-explanatory, just put some glue on this axle. Done with the glue, actually, now. And then just put those wheels on. Try to make sure that it gets in a correct position. There you go. There's the taxi and the police car with all the signs, extras for the taxi, and the few extra little things for the police car. Thank you so much for watching.